In this video, we shall be discussing on probability and the sample space. This time we'll be using the deck of cards, not too familiar topic in probability. But we'll be using the deck of cards to explain the sample space. Now, we said the sample space is a collection of all possible outcomes of an experiment. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. So, if we have, for example, we have a question. We say, what is the probability of throwing a pack of cards? What is the probability of throwing a pack of cards? And what is the sample space? So we should understand that in probability theory, a pack of cards is 52. So we have 52 cards. Inside this 52, we have 26 red and 26 black. Inside this 26 red and 26 black, we have 13 diamond. We also have 13 red hearts. We have 13 clubs, and we have 13 spades. Also, we have 4 as 4 king, 4 queen, and 4 spades. One in each. So, how do we get the sample space for any of these? In case you are given a question on the deck of cards or the pack of what card, the pack of cards is 52. Inside that 52 card, we have 26 red and 26 black. Inside the 26 red, we have 13 diamond. We also have 13 red hearts. Inside the 26 black, we have 13 clubs. We also have 13 spades inside this card. And one in each of these you find in all of these cards. So how do you obtain the sample space? You can obtain the sample space depending on the question that is given. So in our question series on probability, you see how we solve questions on the deck of what card. So this is how to obtain. This is what to write before you obtain the sample space for the deck of cards in probability. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel.